Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Reuters updated you today that source rivals talks between Kaizer Chiefs to sign Oswin. A source has claimed that Kaizer Chiefs are deep in discussions to let the 23 years old winger to Soweto, Oswin, who was notable absent in Polokwane final clash of the season against Kaizer Chiefs. Is believed to be on the verge of selling the transfer. What we believe is that apparently the talks involving Oswin and Kaizer Chiefs are at an advanced stage. The Soweto Gangs could get the player from Polokwane City in the start of the season, rival the Souls said. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please, rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.